how to turn off passcode on Telegram. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to Telegram application. So I use iOS mobile phone or iPhone. Here in Telegram homepage, okay, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap settings. In settings, you can see here the privacy and security. Okay, tap this. In privacy and security, you can see the passcode and Face ID. So the passcode and Face ID is on. So okay, you'll have to do is tap this and you can see the enter your Telegram passcode. So you'll have to do is enter your Telegram passcode. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is my Telegram passcode, and after that, so you can see the turn passcode off. So you'll have to do is tap this and you can see the pop-up below, turn passcode off. You'll have to do to turn off your passcode on your Telegram account is tap the turn passcode off. Okay, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned off passcode on your Telegram. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.